Brian Benton. I'm the Director of Information Technology at Wiginton Corporation. The division we're working with Forms on Fire on is the inspection division, which provides regulatory inspections on the sprinkler systems. We were having a hard time with some of the different inspection forms that we had to do. We inspect fire sprinkler systems, we inspect extinguishers, alarms, suppression hoods, and in our old platform, we only had the sprinklers, so the others were being done manually. So not cost effective, a lot more work to do. So by working with Forms on Fire, we were able to develop those forms on their platform and publish those out to all of our inspectors in the mobile app. We actually have 11 different locations, so we brought it up one branch office at a time. The transition was pretty easy with the users. Forms on Fire's platform is very user-friendly, very intuitive to work with, so that made it a lot easier and made our inspectors much more excited about working with it just because of the ease of the platform. So it provides better customer service for our customers, and that was really our reasoning in going down this path, was to provide better customer service. One of our goals as a company is to always be customer centric, but in the big picture it also saves us money because we're not spending as much time on the inspections. The things that's great about Forms on Fire is they take the time to learn your business, so they're providing a solution that fits your needs and fits your customers' needs because they understand the requirements. I would highly recommend working with Forms on Fire as a partner because they truly do embrace that partner relationship. You don't feel like you're out on an island. You've got a true partner in this that's working with you, and they're by your side and always looking out for our best interests.